Yeah. Okay. Good afternoon, friend. My name is Deepak Kumar. I am a biology lecturer. So today I am going to take a small topic, that is a Lack-Operon model. This topic are taken from the class 12, chapter number 6, molecular basis of inheritance. And so let's start from this topic because this is taken from the class 12 and unit 7. So this Lack-Operon model is what is the meaning of first is understanding the different the refer of the lac. Lac means that is the lactose. Lactose, that is a disaccharide. It is a carbohydrate. And operon, that is a group of polycistronic gene. Okay, polycistronic gene. Polycistronic genes means it consists two things. It consists two things. First is regulatory genes and structural genes. Okay, regulatory and structural genes. In regulatory genes is also three things are there. First is I, that is the inhibitions, P for promoters and O for operators. And in the structural genes is also synthesized three things, the three enzymes, that is a Z, Y and A. Z, that is synthesizing of the beta galactosidase, and Y, that is the galactoside permease, and A is synthesizing of the acetylase. Understand? So this is the overall of the Lack-Operon model. But we have to be understand this Lack-Operon model should be the regulate the synthesizing of the structural genes. Understand? And this model is described or explained by the Jacob and Monod. Jacob and Monod is the two scientists in 1961. Okay, he explained that how genes are regulate or not regulate in the presence or absence of lactose in the E. coli bacteria. Okay, in the E. coli bacteria. Actually, what is happening? The E. coli, that is a bacteria, and the bacteria have the prokaryotic. They have the DNA is the genetic material, so it is also called the prokaryotic DNA. And this prokaryotic DNA is synthesizing of some enzymes. That is the structural enzymes. That is structural genes. That is structural. There is enzyme. The three enzymes Z, Y, A. And this enzyme is synthesizing in the presence of lactose. Lactose, that is provide in the culture medium as a food. Okay, that is provide lactose as a food in the culture medium in the presence of the lactose. This E. coli DNA is synthesizing of the Z, Y, A. If lactose are not present, that means they not synthesizing enough enzyme. Okay, they do not make a continuity or accumulate the enough enzymes. Understand? So this is the overall happening in the Lack-Operon model. So now I am going to be explain how gene expression and how the structural genes should be expressed of the three different enzymes. Okay. So in this model, we first to understand how DNA to synthesize a messenger RNA and the messenger RNA to synthesizing of the protein or enzymes. Okay. So you already know that is the model name is central dogma. The central dogma, you know that is how DNA to make DNA to make a RNA and RNA to make a protein. Okay, by the help of the transcription and by the help of the translation. Understand? The same happening in the bacterial DNA, bacterial genetic material. What is happening in the DNA, in the bacterial DNA? There's a two things are there. First is regulatory gene. Okay, that is a regulatory gene, and there is the structural gene. In the regulatory gene, there is the three segments are there. There is a P for the P capping. It is I and promoter and operator. Okay, I means inhibition. Remember, I is inhibition, not inducer. Not inducer. Okay, and in the structural genes is also three divisions. It's the Z, Y and A genes. Okay, actually what is happening in the whenever in the culture medium, if the lactose are absent, this is the E. coli. If the lactose are absent, then this I genes is synthesizing of repressor messenger RNA. Okay, and this messenger RNA is synthesizing of repressor protein. Okay, and this repressor protein, it should be bind over the operator. Then this on this, whenever once a repressor protein bind over the operator, then DNA polymerase could be not able to be bind over that, and then it's a not to synthesizing of this structural DNA. मीन्स बड़े सिंपल है, अगर रिप्रेसर प्रोटीन्स आके यहाँ पे ऑपरेटर पे बाइंड कर जाएगा तो डीएनए पॉलीमरेज यहाँ पे आके बाइंड नहीं करेगा और स्ट्रक्चरल जीन्स का फॉर्मेशन नहीं होगा। हम इसी को कहेंगे क्या, स्विच ऑफ। इसी को कहेंगे स्विच ऑफ एंड नेगेटिव रेगुलेशन। ओके, बट जब ये लैक्टोज प्रेजेंट होंगे, लेकिन जब लैक्टोज प्रेजेंट होंगे तब क्या होगा, लैक्टोज प्रेजेंट होगा तो रिप्रेसर सेम बनेगा, रिप्रेसर मैसेंजर बनेंगे, मैसेंजर प्रोटीन ही बनेगा, लेकिन क्या होगा, लैक्टोज ही इसके ऊपर बाइंड कर जाएगा और इसी को हम लोग कहेंगे इंड्यूसर। ठीक है, लैक्टोज ही इसके ऊपर बाइंड करेगा। अब जब ये इसके ऊपर बाइंड कर जाएगा तो रिप्रेसर प्रोटीन ऑपरेटर्स के ऊपर बाइंड नहीं करेगा और 3 डिफरेंट एंजाइम्स का फॉर्मेशन हो जाएगा। That is, the Z is synthesizing of the beta galactosidase, Y, that is the galactoside permease, and A is acetylase. Okay, अब ये तीनों का अलग अलग फंक्शन है। बीटा गैलेक्टोसाइडेज लैक्टोज को ब्रेक डाउन करेगा, जिसमें 2 फॉर्मेशंस होंगे, ग्लूकोज एंड गैलेक्टोज। इससे क्या होगा, इसका फूड का वो ब्रेक डाउन करेगा और जीन्स का एक्सप्रेशन होगा। और फिर जब ये गैलेक्टोसाइडेज परमेज का फंक्शन ये होता है कि लैक्टोज जो सेल्स के बाहर होते हैं उसको वो अलाउड करता है, सेल्स के अंदर अलाउड कराता है। बीटा गैलेक्टोसाइडेज परमेज और एसिटाइलेशन मींस एसिटाइलेशन ऑफ द glucose and the galactose. So this is the overall of the Lac-Operon model. और इसमें जो क्वेश्चंस जो भी पूछे जाते हैं वो क्वेश्चंस काफ़ी सिंपल होते हैं। इसमें थियोरेटिकल क्वेश्चंस भी होते हैं और कुछ नीट बेसिस पे भी क्वेश्चंस होते हैं। अगर थियोरेटिकल क्वेश्चंस की बात करें तो वह सिंपल क्वेश्चंस होता है कि ड्रॉ ए लेवल डायग्राम ऑफ द विद द हेल्प ऑफ द लेवल डायग्राम ऑफ द Lac-Operon model and what is inducers, what is the Lac-Operon, okay, and who is the given the whole name of the scientist, who is the given to be the name of the scientist, the Lac-Operon model, in which year. So these types of questions should be asked. Okay, so I have a very short of time, so I have to be explained to this small topic, Lac-Operon model. If you have any suggestions, so please send to me. Okay, thank you.